Hey guys, today we're looking at the Ryobi miter stand. It's the universal stand. I ordered it off eBay because I saved about $10. So.
And Matt,
what?
Why are you buying this one?
Yep, because the other one broke. So this is the Ryobi stand. I got the 12-inch Ryobi saw. Let's go ahead and open it and see what's in there. Okay, here's what it comes with. Looks like the hands, the quick release. So those are the quick release arms. They're straight, so it should fit any saw that's got straight bolt pattern. Another end. Looks like there's a little bit of assembly. Maybe not. So we'll pull that out. Okay, here we got it all together. So all you gotta do is put these pieces on. They come with these hand screws, so everything goes in easy. You have these that come off. Quick connect, so. And it's got these bigger, heavier tabs. The Harbor Freight one had little dinky ones. So it's a pretty solid stand. I can sit on it. I'm sitting on it now, and I weigh 240. It's a 300-pound stand, and it's super solid. So it's the RMS 10G miter saw stand. So I'll go get the saw and put the saw on it.